Dude, what the heck, man? Okay, what was that about? Whoa, man, what are you doing? Wait, that wasn't you? What? Yeah, I'm sorry, man. That wasn't me. I just was playing, games. Oh, that was a dream. Oh my god, I'm sorry, man. I thought that you just... That felt so real. Did you snore? I don't think I snore. I haven't recorded myself before. I guess it's weird that people really do that. Huh? Do you think it's weird that people don't like wake themselves up when they snore? That is weird. I mean, is it because maybe when you snore doesn't like it's still internal? Like yeah. It's like a noise that's internal that you just can't hear. Or it's like you do hear it, but it's like it's like white noise basically. Yeah, it's like isn't like your ears are like noise canceling headphones for your snores? Like clearly I can wake you up by like screaming really loud. Well, people snore really loud and they just like never wake up. Wow, that was a really weird like experience. You keep doing whatever you're doing. I guess I'll just go back to sleep. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'll keep on gaming. Yeah. Man, I definitely don't snore. That was really weird. That's so real. Did I just learn how to lucid dream? Wake up!